So it comes up on you, and it's like this guilty, it's this guilty voice that comes up. I call him Jono. Whenever I'm around a black person, this voice comes. Like, I'll be at the Spar doing my groceries at the check. I have to say Spar because if I say Woolworths, then you're going to judge me. So it's the Spar for this joke. We know it's not the Spar. I'm at the check-in counter, and the voice comes. He comes, aren't you going to greet her? Aren't you going to greet the lady? Or are you just going to ignore her? Like you ignore the townships when you walk past them. What is she, Tembisa? I mean, she might be, but we don't know. I'm sorry, I'll greet her. Okay, hello. He's like, speak her fucking language. What, are you just going to colonize? You're going to colonize the counter now? Speaking the Queen's language. Colonize the cash register. Guy fucking skydiving. Like, okay, I'll speak her Kunjani. How do you know she's Xhosa? She could be Venda, Tswana, the other ones.